Hello, in this video we're going to use application Flowy14 to write an algorithm that prints the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. Let's proceed to open Flowy14 app. And into our dashboard here, we'll begin designing our flow. Proceed to the upper left corner where it says comments, click into it. You'll see a left-hand side menu filled with comments. You can find each comment manually, or you can use the search option over here. So always to begin designing our flow, we'll need the start command to begin the flow. Next, for our today's exercise, we'll need our for loop command. So just type FOR. To our for loop command, we'll need to connect mathematical command multiplication. So let's type math. And by default, it comes with the plus sign. Click into it and you'll be able to turn it into any of the down below options here. We'll need multiplication, so click multiply, and you can see the plus sign has turned into multiplication. And next we'll need to connect the output command, which will allow us to print our result. So let's just type in the word output. And we have connected it incorrectly, so I need to detach it and connect it to our multiplications, just like so. So once you designed your flow, you are ready to close it off with the end command. Okay, so for today's purposes, we'll be finding the squares of the first 10 natural numbers. So we'll click into our for loop command and into the blue indicators. Each one has a numeric path connected to them, so in the blue connectors. So let's click into the first one and we'll have number 1, enter, and then this one will have 2. We'll have 10. And actually what I want to do, I want to turn these any number bigger than 1 up to 10. I want to do 10 and equal, so we can click into the for loop command and we have options down below here. We can turn it into less or equal to 10, so that way we'll have 10 natural numbers, the squares of them printed. So now that we've designed our flow, we can start connecting our commands. So the results here of all the first 10 natural numbers 1 to 10, let's click into our for loop command, and in green area, outbound data connector. In turn, we have all the available inbound data connectors highlighted. We'll need to feed the result of the first 10 natural numbers 1 to 10, inclusive of 10, twice to our multiplication command to obtain a square of each. So let's click both pluses, both inbound data connector on the multiplication command to obtain the squares of our natural numbers 1 through 10, inclusive of 10, and then the result of them we'll need to feed to our output data command to print the result. So click into the multiplication command into its in green area outbound data connector and connect it into the only available inbound data connector on our output command. All right, so we've designed our flow, connected our commands, and we are ready to execute our flow by clicking run. So square root of 1, the second one is found, number 2. And we are calculating the squares of each of the natural numbers from 1 to 10, inclusive of 10. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8, 64. 9, 81. And the last digit, 100. Perfect. So this concludes our today's exercise using Flowy14 application. We wrote an algorithm that printed the squares of the first 10 natural numbers from 1 to 10, 10 inclusive. Thank you.